Hello, customers. In this video, I will show you how to use the free employee screen monitoring software in OpenTimeClock. First, log into your admin access account. This feature is designed to help employers track and monitor the activities of employees during their work hours. Go to Settings and look for Employee Screen Monitoring. And then you will be routed to a new tab, as you can see here. It helps employers maintain better control over their productivity, prevent time theft, ensure accountability, and improve performance management. As you can see, please click the Add Device button to add your device to the list. You can find the device ID in the Employees Screen Monitoring desktop app. Once you have added the device, you can start monitoring the employee's screen remotely. If you haven't installed the Employees Screen Monitoring desktop app for Windows yet, please download it from here. So if you don't have this Employee Screen Monitoring yet, you just need to download this by clicking this link. Click the link and wait till it is downloaded. Let's just wait for it to load. And also, you can check on this. You can view screenshots from the past 7 days and calculate work hours for the last 5 years. So let's try to open this one, since I already have it. You just need to double-click it. Once you see this kind of notification as well, you just need to click on More Info and then Run anyway. But some computers will not have this kind of error message, so you don't need to do that. But once you see that kind of notification, you just need to click on Run anyway. So as you can see, the device ID is here. We just need to copy. We just need to copy this, and then as you can see, add the device. Let's add the device that we have copied. Let's try to add the device name. So let's say Computer 1. That's what we are going to enter in the device name. So it's up to you what kind of name you want to add here, and then click on Add Device. As you can see, you will be able to have the screenshots in here. So you will be able to see the screenshots of the devices that you have added here, like this. So if you want to reset the screen, you can go ahead and try to click on Reset and you can see it will change the device ID. Let's try to go ahead and add this. You can see, these are the screenshots. For the view screen, that's just what you're going to do to see what's once you click on view screen you will be routed and this page as well, and if you want to auto start at launch you can go ahead and check this option if you want to auto. Launch at System Start. You can go ahead and click this option also. You can see this note that screen capturing is on, so please do not close this app. So you can just go ahead and minimize it, but do not close it, because it will stop the screen monitoring. And if you want to stop the screen monitoring, just need to click ahead, go ahead, and click on Stop. And then as you can see, screen capturing is off. And also, I just want to reiterate that the screenshot will monitor every minute. So you just need to click on Refresh. As you can see, it's 15 here and it will be 16 here because it is every minute. And if you want to see other options of for example, embed on your website, if you want this to embed on your website, you just click on embed on a website and copy these. Iframe code allows you to embed this employee screen monitoring web app into your website. You can just simply copy the code provided here and paste it into the app, an HTML file, and then upload it to your website. You just need to copy and then click OK. Work hours. You have an option to see the work hours here as well. So you just need to select on what specific device and then you can filter the date range. You have here an option to click on first, previews, different pages, next and last. This is just for viewing the next page if you have a lot of pages here already. And then you also have here an option to have, for example, set per page. And a maximum of 500 per page. And once again, if you want the screenshot to show here, you just need to click on refresh. If you want to delete this device, click on this and then delete the device. So that's how the free employee screen monitoring software works in Open Time Clock. Thank you.